Okay, hi, my name is Marlise, and I am challenged by my brother to put some videos up on Facebook. And he asked me, what do you want to do? And I said, I just want to be encouraging. I want to be uplifting. And he said, well, just be encouraging and uplifting. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm sitting here in front of my wonderful Willamette River on the port of Portland, if you want to call it that. It's beautiful here. It is a beautiful day. That's the Fremont Bridge. And I was thinking, what can I be encouraging about today on my very first day, November 1st? And this is the encouragement for today. A lot of us have this dialogue of I'm not enough, I'm not smart enough, I'm not this enough, I'm not that enough. And so I looked up the definition of enough, and it says sufficiently for the purpose. And to me, that means that you have what you need to take care of the business of the day. Aren't we just our own worst critics? I am not this educated, or I'm not, clean and sober for this long, or I haven't been doing this long enough, or, I don't have the right body shape, or I'm not the right age, or I'm too old, or I'm too this. And really, when you think of the definition of enough, it is sufficiently for the purpose. And that is what each and every one of us is. We are born with that. And we have sufficient within us. I think we actually have a lot more. But in speaking of enough, we have sufficient tools at our disposal for everything that we need. So I would like to encourage you to remember that you are sufficient and that you are enough to do everything and to be everything that you are and desire to be, okay? So may you be encouraged today and take care of your enoughness, okay? All right, here's another little shot of this Portland, Oregon. Ooh, I can go like this and you can see the Broadway Bridge. Isn't that cool? So I'm here a lot in this little section, so I'll be making some more videos from this, and you can see it in different times of the week. Take care of yourself, and I'm sure you'll be taking care of others too. All right. Ciao.